Zafran is a boy that always playing game and prefer to waste his time with something not important. He's been neglecting his own daily routine such as do laundry and clean up his house.
Oh, I have a class. Why my clothes smell so bad?
Sir, I smell so bad.
Huh? Am I hallucinating, or is really that the clothes are talking?
Master, I've been here for 3 days. I smell so bad.
Okay, I'm sorry. I will find a solution to take care of you guys. Wow, I found something. I think this can solve my problem. Hello? Is this Fascz Laundry?
Hello? Yes, I'm Fatin from Fascz, your trust student-friendly laundry service.
I need your help. I've been busy with my assignment lately and I didn't have much time to take care of laundry. Now I have nothing to wear.
I totally understand. That's why we create Fascz, a pickup and delivery laundry service just for students like you. No more worrying about washing, drying, or folding. You just book a service through our app or website and we will handle everything for you. And to make it even easier, we have a mobile app where you can track your order and get notified when your laundry is ready. No more last-minute laundry stress. It's super simple. Step 1, sign up on our app or website. Step 2, schedule a pickup time that suits you. Our team will collect your laundry, clean, iron, fold, and deliver it back to your dorm or house. Not at all. Our rates are student-friendly, and we even have special discounts on team days like Wash Wednesday and Fold Fridays. Plus, with our loyalty program, you can earn points and redeem them for free service. I will WhatsApp you the link now. If you have any questions, feel free to reach us out. Don't forget to sign up as our membership so that you will notice our further promotion. Have a great day.
Great! I will sign up as a membership now. Thank you so much.
Hi, we are from Fascz. We are here to take your dirty clothes.
Hi Fascz, here my dirty clothes. Thank you.
Thank you. Hi, so today we're gonna show you the process how we do the laundry.
First of all, we will place your clothes inside the washing machine. Don't worry about clothes being damaged because we always make sure that your clothes is separated by colors and fabric type. Then, we will use the right amount of detergent for the load size so your clothes will smell so nice. We will also would dry your clothes and fold it and give it straight to your room. Ta-da!
Hi, I'm the user of Fascz and I really love their service because it's easy for me and it's time efficient. As a student, absolutely I have a hectic schedule. So with this service, it makes my life easier and convenient. So I really love them and I give them 5 stars. Bye!
So hi and Assalamualaikum. I'm Alia, one of the Fascz laundry user. For me, this laundry is very affordable for students and convenient for me. And I really appreciate for people who do create this hobby. And thank you so much.
Here I am with you.